Hello everyone. Now this is one new function from Dolphin Data Lab, the ZFL SSD common firmware repair solution. And this common firmware repair solution is available within the ZFL DDP latest software, the version 2603. Okay. And this function needs to be used together with the flash heating power supply pro. Now we can see due to the poor soldering or cold soldering, and we need to heat the flash chips on the SSD. If the chips has two sides, chips on two sides, then users can use this kind of two plates to flash all the chips at the same time. While we are heating the SSD chips, we click this function, check disk after power on, and we can select the software to read this disk ID and check the partition mark and click OK. So after we detect the hard drive ID and the software will stop, and we can click power on, power off, and we can try to enter the software to read the hard drive sectors to get this data off. Okay, thank you for watching the video.